Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to build a subscription-based community on Discord in 2026. So if you want to earn monthly income from exclusive content, private chats, or premium resources, yeah, this beginner guide will help you step by step. First, choose a clear niche. So it can be gaming, trading, design, coding, fitness, or study support. Next, create subscription levels like basic, premium, and VIP. I mean, each level should offer more value than the last. So yeah, go to server settings and create roles for each tier. These roles will control access to your premium content. Now create private channels for subscribers. Only users with paid roles should access these channels. So yeah, connect payment tools like Ko-Fi, Patreon, or Stripe. Users subscribe and then get access manually or automatically. Next, use bots or platforms like WAP or Celix to automate role assignment after payment. This makes your system scalable and professional. So yeah, keep posting exclusive content like tutorials, alerts, or resources. Consistency is what keeps subscribers paying monthly. Finally, promote your Discord subscription community on YouTube, TikTok, or social media. So more visibility means more subscribers. And that's how to build a subscription-based Discord community in 2026. Once you combine value, consistency, and automation, you can build a real monthly income system. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more online earning tutorials. Hey,